Alright, so we are here back at Toyota of Merrillville. I just got my sunroof fixed, and we are going to do a revisit of the SoftGloss XS2 that is their car wash. With every service here, you get a free car wash, so we're going to use it. Last time I did this, I was in my dad's 4Runner. This time I get the GoPro, and this time I've got a new camera. So this is a revisit of the very first car wash I have ever filmed. So let's go ahead and put our code in. Our code is 98572.
92572.
So please wait, activating wash. And we've got the go-ahead.
Off when it's not by myself.
We're gonna pull in now. No undercarriage wash. All right, I'm gonna try and center myself the best I can. And we have got the stop. Here we go. I can't tell you what they give on the wash options here, but here we go with pre-soak. And here comes our wash cycle. So I'd imagine, being a dealership, they keep this thing in pretty good condition. Because if you're gonna wash cars in here and then sell them, you don't want the machine to damage your cars. So you get a light touch there on this side. We'll watch it come up to the front here. This left side is pretty close, I feel. I do the wipers, but we got some foam right there. All right, retract there, brush. Okay. And here comes our big brush on the top. Oh, did you hear that? That arm could definitely be making more contact. Whoa, the entire machine just jumped there. I did not catch that on camera. We're stopped here, moving forward. I think we're doing a wheel scrub. And we're moving back. Top brush is redeployed. Back brushes have stopped. We'll watch the side brush here. All have retracted, and here we go again for another cycle. Catch this machine hopping next time it goes back. It definitely looks like it's leaning on this right side here. Watch the front brushes do their thing. You can see how much more deployed that brush is than that one. It's actually not. There it goes. All right, let's catch this machine hopping. There it goes. It's almost like it hits a broken spot in the track there. Should get another rinse. You can watch it hop again. You can hear it hop. And after this, we should get our dryers. Yep, here we go. And we've got the green. 1 minute and 12 worth of drying time. Ooh. Activated traction control bit there. And here we go. We got code 8J. I don't think that's right. 51 seconds remaining. These dryers here are doing an okay job. Seconds remaining. These dryers are actually doing a great job along the sides. They didn't get in the windshield too well, but I wiped it off with the wipers. 17 seconds remaining. Start getting the back of the car. There we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 seconds left on the dryer timer, and we're done. So that is it. That's a revisit at the very first car wash I have ever filmed, the Ryko SoftGloss XS2 at Merrillville Toyota in Merrillville, Indiana. Thank you guys for watching.